The best drone for you depends on your specific needs and budget. Here's a breakdown of some top options based on different categories. Number 1. Lenovo AE7 Drone. The Lenovo AE7 is a powerhouse designed for professional aerial photography and videography. Its triple camera system, including an 8K main camera, captures stunningly detailed images and videos. The GPS and obstacle avoidance features ensure safe and precise flight, while the long flight time and range cater to extended shoots. Should you buy it? If you're a professional photographer or videographer seeking top-tier image quality, advanced features, and reliable performance, the Lenovo AE7 is an excellent investment. It's also suitable for serious hobbyists who demand the best. Number 2. Potensic Mini Drone. The Potensic Mini Drone offers a perfect blend of portability and performance. Its compact, foldable design makes it ideal for travel, while the 3-axis gimbal and 4K camera deliver impressive image stabilization and quality. The drone's GPS and obstacle avoidance features enhance safety and ease of use. Should you buy it? If you're looking for a versatile drone that can capture high-quality footage on the go, the Potensic Mini Drone is a strong contender. It's suitable for both beginners and enthusiasts who prioritize portability without compromising image quality. Number 3. V168 Max Pro Drone. The V168 Max Pro is a feature-rich drone that caters to a wide range of users. Its 8K camera, 5G Wi-Fi, and FPV capabilities provide an immersive flight experience. The drone's intelligent flight modes, including obstacle avoidance and automatic return, make it user-friendly and safe. Should you buy it? If you desire a feature-packed drone with a good balance of performance and affordability, the V168 Max Pro is worth considering. It's suitable for both beginners and intermediate pilots who want to explore various flight modes and capture impressive footage. Number 4. BaitFPV Cetus X Drone. The BaitFPV Cetus X is a high-performance drone designed for FPV racing enthusiasts. Its compact size, powerful motors, and lightweight design offer exceptional agility and speed. The FPV camera and analog video transmission provide an immersive and thrilling flight experience. Should you buy it? If you're an experienced FPV pilot seeking an adrenaline-pumping flying machine, the BaitFPV Cetus X is an excellent choice. It's not suitable for beginners due to its high speed and demanding flight characteristics.